Rise and be the musician, the dancer, the philanthropist, the entrepreneur, the pastor, the evangelist, the teacher, the doctor. The amazing display of God's glory that He has called you to be. It is time. So arise and shine. Let them witness the greatness in you. You need to rise to shine so bright that even the sun would get jealous of your light. The wisest king that ever lived on the surface of this earth, Solomon, said in one of his books, Proverbs chapter 4 verse 18, he said that, but the path of the just is as the shining light that shineth more and more unto the perfect day. It is the church's mission to shine bright. It is looking at the prince of darkness and saying, you are riding a sinking ship, because I'm no longer going to hide my light under that bushel. It is meant for the world to see. Friends, I've come with a wake-up call for you today. Let us rise and shine so bright, painting Christ so fine, letting the world run to the cross sign. And instead of spark and dope, let's all spark the hope which comes from Christ, the solid hope. John chapter 1 verse 5 says, and the light shineth in darkness, and darkness comprehended not. I am shining my light for the world to see. How about you? So let me tell you something. We are created as Christians to shine our light wherever we may be found. So wake up, friends. Start shining your light in that environment, that school, office, church, market. Don't dim your light. Shine so bright now you've got time. Don't hide your light underneath the shade. Don't trade your dignity for popularity. See, you may not be popular now, but I know you will be great one day. Right now, you may not be well known, but one day you will be worth knowing. So don't stop working on you, because you are your life's greatest asset, and the world awaits your shine. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you.